What does it take to be a successful laundromat operator today?
I mean, I think it is definitely a business. No matter how you're going to run it, whether it's unattended, partially attended, fully attended, it's a business. So having all the procedures in place, having setting all of that up early, um, really would help.
Mhm.
And that's one of the things that we didn't do early enough. So I definitely think you have to run it like a business, and get out of it so that you can kind of look at things from whatever the saying is, from 10 feet above,
Right.
instead of right in it all the time.
Mhm.
It is business. So
Right. Take the long view. Mhm.
yeah.